Alright guys, so back to another one right now. So right now I just showed this in my previous TikTok video I just dropped right now. So technically what I'm basically going to show you is that yes, I got the PlayStation Portable, brand new. I got it. So let's talk. This right here, PlayStation Portable, brand new. Also, this is where you guys press it. Wait 3 seconds, and voila, comes right on. So we're gonna talk about this right now. Basically, I already got it all set up. I already have everything ready to go for it. It's already paired to my thing. See, that's how it starts up. It's actually pretty cool. You actually have two options if you want to play this. So the first one is remote play. That's the first thing. Means you're paired and connected to your PlayStation. And also, the downfall of it is that you have to have your PlayStation on all the time. Meaning, like, you can't turn it off and then play it. No. So that's like the first option they're going to give you when you start this up. Second is cloud streaming. But there's a catch to it. Like, I'm going to be straightforward with everybody here on TikTok. When it comes to cloud streaming, you do have to pay a little bit of a fee. But if you already have a PlayStation Plus account already and you're already a membership already, it just adds a little bit of money to your account, just a little bit. What the catch is of cloud streaming. But if you already have it already and it's just gonna add additional little bit of money to your plan, because depending on what plan you guys all have. If you have a plan that's like the weekly, the monthly, or the yearly, like for me, for example, I have the yearly one already, and it made me pay just like 37 more bucks to it, which is fine. Here, it all has every game you have, you know? So that's what cloud streaming is. So there's two options. That's the two options. But in my best point of view, you might as well just do cloud streaming and pay the additional money, and there you go. And yes, you don't have to have internet with this. You don't have to, as long as you are paying for the streaming for it. You don't got to have internet. But if you're not paying for the streaming and you're doing the control system, you might as well just get the Wi-Fi. Might as well, like, you know, pay for the cloud streaming. That's my point of view. Everybody's different, but depending on which one you get. But this is the PlayStation Portable. Right here. This is just my review on it, guys. You don't have to take my advice if you don't want to, but this thing is really cool. Graphics on this are really cool. I love the graphics about this, so that's what I'm gonna talk about right quick. The graphics on this are incredible. Depending on the Wi-Fi, if your Wi-Fi is good or not, but the graphics on here are incredible. It's like playing a real PlayStation. But the thing is, though, with this, you can travel with this as well. Like, you can travel, you can go places with this. You can most definitely, you know, go to this, like if you're going on airports and stuff, and it'll take you to this screen right here. See, this is my screen right here. You see, it has my account, it has all the games that I'm playing, and I can stream all these games. If you have more games, you can stream those as well if you want to, but that's on you. But yeah, you can stream on all your games, and you can take this on traveling, you can take this to the airport, you can take this on road trips, wherever you're going in the world. This is the best thing to have. You don't have to take your PlayStation with you. You can just take this. It's like a Nintendo Switch, but a PlayStation version. You know? And another thing I want to represent on this is that, you know, I'm also recommending this to PlayStation. PlayStation, you guys did a great job on this. I like it, and this is very great. And also to Sony as well. You guys did a great job on this. I like it. It's smooth. It runs smooth. I like the grip on the size of it. It's really cool. I also like how you guys have different colors in this. You don't have to get white. You can also get black. So that's great as well. And the battery life on this is really long too. It lasts for like maybe 4 to 5 hours. That's how many, or maybe at least 3 to 4 hours. Because I tested it out yesterday after Christmas. This was my Christmas gift right here, you guys. If you guys see it on TikTok, it's me opening it. But yeah, this is my Christmas gift. And yeah, shout out to PlayStation. I hope you guys, or whoever gets this on Christmas, or whoever gets this in the future, or if you're getting it right now, you're gonna love it, you're gonna play it, and trust me, if you're a kid, you're gonna also really enjoy this. But yep, shout out to PlayStation, shout out to Sony. Like, and also comment, or follow me on TikTok. I'm just trying to make this channel grow or this stream grow. But yeah, thank you guys.